to a Dragonstaff tutorial for Pendulum Rockers. So this trick is a combination of two tricks, one being pendulums and the other being something I like to call a rock and roller. So those will be our two prerequisites. Links for both of those tricks down in the description below. And as with many of my tutorials, we can do this trick on either side. However, we're just going to cover one side for the sake of saving time and keeping things simple. And of course, I always recommend drilling it on the opposite side once you've gotten it down on the first. The side that we'll be sticking to for this tutorial will be doing our pendulum on our right hand and using our left leg for the rock and roller. So we'll start by coming into our pendulums, beginning with the staff rolling away from us, removing the left hand from the equation as we bring the right hand up over to our left, palm face down, then up, back over to our right, palm face up, in our pendulum with the right hand. And at any point when we bring the right hand back over to our right side and the staff is rolling away from us, there's that moment there where it wants to drop back down because we don't have anything underneath the left side of the staff. So that is where the left thigh is going to come into play. So as soon as we bring this right hand over to the right, staff's rolling away from us, we'll balance on our right leg, raise the left knee, and let the left side of the staff roll down, maybe even the front of the body to the left thigh. And balance is definitely going to be a thing for this one. And once the left side of the staff rolls down the thigh towards the knee, you'll raise the knee to kind of pop the staff or the left side of the staff up. And right there is where we can come back into our pendulum. Just as the left side of the staff is floating up in the air, we'll bring the right hand back up and over to our left for our pendulum. And I'm going to quickly go over that again, facing forwards, just in case you couldn't see any of that. We start with our pendulum in the right hand. Kind of two main points at our pendulum. One, where the staff is rolling away from us, right palm is face up. And two, where the staff is rolling towards us, right palm face down. When the right palm is face up over on our right side and the left side of the staff is kind of floating there for a moment, that's where we'll come into our rock and roller by balancing on the right leg, raising the left, and sometimes the left side of the staff just comes straight to the left thigh. Sometimes it'll kind of roll down the front of the abdomen to the thigh, so do what is needed. And as the left side of the staff reaches the knee, we'll raise the left leg to pop that side of the staff up so that the left side of the staff is floating once again, and that's where we'll come back into our pendulum, bringing the right hand up and over to the left. And bonus points if you want to add the arm for a little extra spice. I like to raise the arm throughout the rock and roller and kind of mirror the opposite arm throughout the pendulum. And there you have the Pendulum Rocker. Huge thank you to all of you watching. A big thank you to everyone who watches and supports on Patreon. And I will see you all in the next video.